After spending over 8 years here, I can confidently say it is one of the best schools here in Batangas. This school has not only filled my mind with essential knowledge, but has also shaped my character and attitude. Ages and stages has molded me into the person that I am today. Teaching us the values and behavior we need as we grow. Ito din pong institusyon na ito ang nagbigay at nagpatibay ng pundasyon ng aking kaalaman that I will bring to the next level of my school. But of course, I will never set aside and I can never forget the goodness, kindness, and never-ending patience of our teachers. I may not mention each one of you, but I am requesting everybody here. Ating pong palakpakan ang nagkagandahan at napakahusay na guro ng Ages and Stages School. Second, to all of the students here, especially my fellow graduates, I fondly remember my time as a candidate for the presidency in the student council and the joy of leading. I want to take this moment to thank all of you who trusted me to become your servant. I will never forget our competitive but friendly spirits. No matter how much we competed with one another, at the end of the day, we remain friends. I want to thank all for the unforgettable experiences and the friendship we have built. Lastly, let me give my gratitude to God, who I truly believe hindi niya po ako iniiwan. To my parents, mommy and daddy, and my grandma, Mama Nina, they are my strength, especially in my time of struggle. Na minsan sumusuko na po ako sa laban, but they are here, not leaving my side, consistently loving me. Their undying support is the reason why I'm here in front of you. To our school directors and director, Dr. Grace Narno Calderon and Engineer Cyrus Calderon, I want to thank you both for your outstanding leadership and direction. Your efforts to create a welcoming and healthy learning environment made a positive impact for our school community for years. As we transition to the next stage of our lives, I know all of us will continue our studies. In all we do, we have to keep in mind the priceless lesson we have acquired here. Remember that our true measure of success is the positive impact we have on others' lives. Remember that the best lessons often comes from venturing outside of our comfort zone, and that failure is often the stepping stone towards achievement. We are not just graduates. We are leaders and agents of change. As graduates of Ages and Stages School, we have the capability to make a substantial impact on today's rapidly evolving world. Let's hope that the values of integrity and tenacity. It is our duty to use our skills to make a difference, making ourselves, our family, our school proud in the process. Now, I'd like to share a song that always giving me motivation and inspiration. I Believe I Can Fly by Yolanda Adams. In this powerful song, there is a